Hello Psytrance EDM and music production enthusiasts. Hope you're doing marvelously well. Now today I just want to share with you where you can buy my plugins. My website, I had an affiliation with Notive, but they closed up their website for some reason, I don't know why. So I had to knock out a new website where you can get your products. The plugins I'm talking about obviously is Kick and Bass Gel, Kick Gel and Bass Gel, which are really nice plugins. Kick Gel is still one of the best kick synthesizers out there, where you can make your kicks in a very easy fashion and fast fashion. You can also get all the samples and presets that I've made. I'm about to do, might as well announce it, I'm about to do the Serum Presets Volume 3. Mainly for Psytrance, but you can use it in other EDM styles. The shop address is as you see here, but I'll put it in the link in the description below. So shop.minddoctorsmakeacid.com. You can also find it if you just write down in the address bar minddoctorsmakeacid.com. That will take you to my site, and if you scroll down, you'll find also all the services that I'm doing. And if you scroll all the way down, for any of those services, by the way, you can press contact, and that will open your email client, and you'll email me at minddoctorsmakeacid@hotmail.co.uk. Anyway, for the shop, it's here. You can press any of these, and you have the buy link here. The way I'm doing this, I'm processing it manually, and there's a note here that will address that. I'm processing them manually, so it's gonna take a while. You pay, and within 24 hours I'll send you a private message to your email, the email that you used to buy the product, with a link for the download. Now you also can get my products at Dance MIDI Samples, and if you go to Dance MIDI Samples and you go to label, Psytrance labels, you'll see MDMA, and that's just my page. It's not a label really, but it's my page, and I sell there all the same things: the guitars, percussive samples, and presets. But you won't be able to find the plugins here. Alternatively, you can go to my Facebook page, Mind Doctors Make Acid, and go to my shop. If I just go back to page, I'll show you exactly how you find it. If you just scroll down, and you'll see shop. Click see all, and you find all the same products here. So Kick and Bass Gel, Kick Gel, all that stuff. Good stuff. So I hope that is helpful and helps you find my products finally. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you on the next video.